Hello, students. Welcome to another lecture on grammar. In this lecture, I will discuss complex sentences. We have already discussed compound sentences. So let us start. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में एक मेन क्लॉज होता है और एक या एक से अधिक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होते हैं. Let we can make it more clear by taking an example. So let us take an example. I told him that you had gone out. In this sentence, we have two clauses. Told him one clause, and the other clause is that you had gone out. Out of these two clauses in this sentence, I told him is the main clause. That you had gone out is the subordinate clause. Okay? Now, kinds of subordinate clauses or complex sentences. Now, there are three kinds of subordinate clauses, or there are three kinds of clauses, you can say. Number one, noun clause. Second, adjective clause. And the third one is adverb clause. So first we will take noun clause. A noun clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. नाउन क्लॉज में जो है नाउन क्लॉज जो है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक प्रेडिकेट होता है और उसका वो जो है एक नाउन का काम करता है. Since a noun clause does the work of a noun in a complex sentence, it can be. एक नाउन क्लॉज जो है कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में नाउन का काम करता है तो इस तरह के इसके जो जो फॉर्म है वो ये हो सकती है. यू कैन से नंबर वन, इट कैन बी अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब. सब्जेक्ट ऑफ वर्ब हो सकता है. ऑब्जेक्ट और सेकंड, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब हो सकता है. नंबर थ्री, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ प्रपोजिशन हो सकता है. ओके. नंबर फोर, इन एपोजिशन टू अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन हो सकता है. एंड नंबर फाइव, द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ वर्ब ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन हो सकता है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो सकता है. ओके. So we will discuss all these 5 points one by one. So first of all, subject of a verb. To understand in a better way, we will take a few examples. So let us take. So following are the examples of complex sentences in which noun clause is the subject of a verb. Okay. First example is that you should say so surprises me. Yes. That you should say so. Subject of a verb. Verb surprises. That you should say so. This clause is working as a subject of the verb surprises. Okay? You can say he surprises me. He subject है. So that you should say so surprises me. Okay? That it would rain seemed likely. Seemed ka subject of a verb. What he said was true. Was what he said. So in all these three sentences, noun clause is the subject of a verb. Okay? Sorry. Next, the object of a transitive verb. We will again take a few complex sentences in which the noun clause is the object of a transitive verb. So let us take the examples. He says that he won't go. Object, क्या कह रहा है? Object of a transitive verb. He says that he won't go. That he won't go is used in place of object. I hoped that it was true. That it was true. Again. She denied that she had written the letter. That she had written the letter. In all the three sentences, noun clause has been used as an object of a transitive verb. Okay? Now, the third point, the object of a preposition. Again, we will take a few examples of complex sentences in which the noun clause is the object of a preposition. Okay? For example, pay careful attention to what I am going to say. To, object of a preposition. There is no meaning in what you say. In what you say. Object of a preposition. Sorry. There were no complaints except that it was too hot. Except. Okay? Typing mistake hai by chance, sorry. Okay? So next. Okay, getting my point? Next. In apposition to a noun or pronoun. Again, we will take a few sentences in which, complex sentences in which the noun clause is in apposition to a noun or pronoun. Okay? So, your statement that you found the money in the street will not be believed. Yes, in apposition. क्या कह रहा है? In apposition to a noun or pronoun. Your statement, कौन सा? That you found the money in the street. ये apposition है, noun or pronoun. Next, his belief that someday he would succeed cheered him through many disappointments. Yes, his belief. इसका apposition क्या है? That someday he would succeed. ये इसका apposition है. Next, you must never forget this. Yes, that honesty is the best policy. This का apposition है. That honesty is the best policy. Okay? So in apposition. And the last one is the complement of a verb of incomplete predication. Again, we will take a few sentences, complex sentences in which the noun is used as the complement of a verb of incomplete predication. So let us take. My belief is that he will not come. Yes. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ वर्ब ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन है, इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन का है। हर कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेयर्स, हर कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेयर वाज दैट द चाइल्ड माइट लिव। ओके, हिज ग्रेट फियर इज दैट ही मे फेल। ओके, ये इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन का है। So, complement of a verb of incomplete predication. Thank you.